Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Addo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now, most of you probably don't know I'm a complete foodie. Now, before the pandemic situation, we would go to different places, but one of my places have always been Barbecue Nation. Now, Barbecue Nation, everyone who has tasted their food must be knowing you get unlimited food with a certain token of money. So, as far as I remember, when I went before the pandemic situation, it was 899 rupees for unlimited order of food. Main course, then kebabs, then sweets, as long as your stomach comes out of your mouth and says, I don't want to eat anymore. But what can we do about our heart, because our heart wants more and more. So till you eat to your heart's content, the people come and they keep on serving you the food with that particular token of money. Isn't it amazing? And they also give you a flag along with it. You have eaten to your heart's content. You just keep the flag down and there they know that you don't want to eat anymore. You are done. You're filled. So now that there is a situation of pandemic where we cannot go out and we cannot eat, we have to maintain certain kind of regulations on going out. So Barbecue Nation has come up with a wonderful idea of giving you the same quality, the same taste of food at your doorstep and at a very reasonable price. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Barbecue Nation's barbecue in a box. Trust me guys, this is such a beautiful concept by them, that where you can taste their food, the variety of options you have at home. I'm going to talk all about it, what is there in the box and what are the items you're getting in that box, how does it taste, how much did it cost me, and how many people can eat from this box. That is also I'm going to tell you. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. So barbecue in a box comes in a box like this, which is so cute. You can see the bill is attached here, and the price of the entire food took me 1101 with 100 rupees discount on Swiggy. It took 38 minutes to reach us after we have given the order on Swiggy, and the packaging looks really sturdy. And wait, let me just open it. Oh my god, now look at this packaging. On the top they have given the desserts, that is they have given 9 mini gulab jamuns they have given, and then they have a halwa, and the next is they have given a brownie, and this food are also warm. Then they have given some barbecue sauce, and this is the green chutney. Now as you open it, there is another section of food, that is they have given salads, and I think this is curry that they have given. This is the kebab section that they have given. So let us open. I have taken the middle one first. So 9 chicken tikkas, then they have fish tikka, they have 2 tangri kebab. Next comes is the biryani section. We have ordered for non-veg mutton biryani. So I'll just show you the quantity. I think for this is the biryani. Look at this. These are the 3 biryanis that they have given. Here it is. So for 1099 rupees, you are getting food for at least 3 people for a small party or a gathering or a dinner, and I am sure it is going to taste so well. I'm going to taste one by one to tell you about the taste of it, the feel of it, and whether you same kind of excitement, same kind of taste that you get in a Barbecue Nation restaurant. So let's get started. I'll start with the kebab. The first is the chicken kebab that I wanted to try. Chutney and kebab. Trust me, you guys, you're definitely going to like it. Oh my god. The chicken is so tender, you guys. and the taste hasn't changed at all. I actually want to savor the taste, and I can tell you the first taste that I have taken, it's awesome. Now I'm also going to taste the fish tikka. So this is how the fish tikka look. You can have it with the chutney, without the chutney. I would prefer it without the chutney. Another amazing kebab that you can have, taste it at home without any guilt, and you can have as many as you want. And the third one is, oh my god, who eats a tangri with a spoon? I'm definitely going to use my hand and give a bite. Trust me, you guys, when I say this tastes amazing. The chicken tangri is a little spicy, but then again, it tastes amazing. Now let us talk about the biryani part. I'll taste it for you to see how does it actually taste. It looks like this. Now, I think you have to mix it properly first and put it in the plate. I'm tasting it for you to tell you about the experience of the taste of it, but I would prefer it on a plate and taste it. So the biryani, you guys, it's really awesome. It is not very oily or greasy, not very spicy with loads of spices. No, very simple. The biryani taste, the smell is literally not very overpowering, and it really does taste nice, and it is hot. So I would prefer it to have it on a plate and use my hands, because I love having biryani with my hands. Now let us talk about the sweet dish. So definitely, who doesn't like gulab jamun? I wish they were a little bigger, but these are mini sized gulab jamun. Gulab jamun tastes like gulab jamun, not too sweet, extremely soft and hot. I think this is some halwa, and try this. Extremely tasty, not very sweet, and really after a good meal you need a good sweet dish. These are the particular desserts everyone looks. So there is a dessert for all. If you want to have gulab jamun, you can have gulab jamun. If you want to have halwa, you can have halwa. For the children, if they don't like gulab jamun or halwa, they can definitely go in for the brownie. So the brownie, as you can see, it's so soft, very tender, not very hard. And there it goes. This brownie is heaven. So I feel for a price that I am paying, this particular deal is a take deal. And let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video. This is what I wanted to do because I'm very fond of food. I'm an extreme foodie. I can have food and I cannot have food in moderation. When I start eating, I can keep eating so I think for a price that you are paying, this food is definitely a deal. You must try their different kind of kebab boxes that they have. This is the non-veg barbecue in a box, but there are different boxes as well. I have chosen the mutton biryani. You can go in for chicken biryani. You can go for veg biryani. So there are plenty of options for all of you. So please go order and taste this amazing food. I'm sure you're going to like it. So guys, I believed you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I have listed where you can get this amazing barbecue in a box in the description box. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.